Hello, my name is Mark Donahue, and I'm Marketing Director here at Check Visual Monitoring. It's been our pleasure over the last 2 years to work with dealers and integrators all over the country and beyond, providing them with the tools to bring the Check solution into their product offering and to market it effectively. Of course, as you know, every dealer or integrator has a very unique DNA and targets a myriad of different customers with a lot of different products. It's been our experience during this process to communicate the importance of considering a unique path to introduce the Check solution to your customers. Rather than just introducing a new device or product, we're encouraging each dealer to consider offering the Check solution as a custom branded service of your company and branded as such. For instance, a company named Guardian Alarm System began selling the Check products 2 years ago. Although they started selling the Visual Verification Bridge and Check Portal as a video monitoring option, it wasn't long until they recognized that it would be advantageous for them to dealer brand the service to their customers, tying it to the company name their customers already knew and trusted. Their solution is GuardWatch. This allowed the integrator to not have to introduce a new device or secondary company name check, but to dealer brand a solution specifically to their company as a unique service only they could provide. Please note to all of our new dealers, we stand ready to help in this process. From crafting a unique name or building or supplying materials for print media, social media, or videos. We would be delighted to help you, the dealer, to dealer brand a video monitoring service to your company and allow your customers to know that there is something very unique about you that separates you from your competitors.